Inside Jackson-Olin High School's auto collision shop sits a Mercedes-Benz car that's in need of major repairs.
When the car first arrived, it was a couple of severe accidents. It had individual dents in the bumper, side swipe damage to a mirror.
A complex task, but the students are confident they can get the job done.
Right now, we sanded the roof with 1000 grit, and then the white stuff you see right here is compound after we sanded it. And then it was also a minor scratch on the back, but we put compound and we sanded that with 1000 grit, and then went over it with 2000 grit.
With this one, you see it's like brand new, so we gotta replace the bumper. We just gonna take out all the undamaged pieces in the other bumper that can fit, and we gonna put them in this one to build it, get the paint to match with the vehicle, and then we gonna attach it. Thank you. Now, this is what the passenger mirror used to look like. This is what it looks like now. What we have to do is we have to order a new one.
How long will it take you all to complete this?
It'll take us probably about like 2 weeks to complete this project, just because of how expensive the project is, with it being a Mercedes and us having to take our time with breaking it piece by piece.
This type of work is foreign to these students, and there have been times when they've had to stop and start over.
Us students did this, so if we make a mistake, we have to suffer the consequences as well. So we learn from mistakes. Mistakes build us.
How many coats are clear? 2 to 3? 2 to 3 coats are clear.
Joseph Williams is the instructor of this class and is providing the students with early knowledge of the auto collision business. Some of his students have acknowledged that they hope to land a career in this particular field.
Working on a vehicle like this exposes our students to the higher end repairs that need to be done in the industry. And it's priceless. I want to thank Dr. Hines for the opportunity to make the repairs to her vehicle. But this exposes our kids to all of the techniques, the skills they need to make quality repairs, to be competitive in the industry that's ever changing.
JO's automotive collision program is ASE certified, and the students have an opportunity to receive industry standard certificates after completing courses ranging from entry-level collision painting and finishing to iCar Auto Refinish Platinum. This certification gives graduating students an advantage to start their careers making $30,000 to $60,000. And this program teaches the students entrepreneurship. I'm Fred Davenport, BCS Media.